Welcome to this guide on fiat on-ramps. In the world of cryptocurrency, getting started often begins with converting your regular money into digital assets. Understanding how fiat on-ramps work is essential for anyone looking to enter the crypto space. Let's explore how you can buy cryptocurrency using traditional money. A fiat on-ramp is essentially a bridge between traditional finance and cryptocurrency. It's a service or platform that allows you to convert your everyday currency, like US dollars, euros, or Indian rupees, into cryptocurrency. Think of it as an entry point or gateway that lets you move from the traditional banking system into the world of digital assets. Without these on-ramps, buying cryptocurrency would be much more complicated. The process is straightforward. You start with your fiat currency, which is the traditional money issued by governments. This money goes through an on-ramp platform, which acts as an intermediary. The platform then converts your fiat currency into the cryptocurrency of your choice. It's a simple three-step flow. You provide fiat, the platform processes it, and you receive cryptocurrency in your wallet. Fiat on-ramps support various payment methods to make purchasing crypto accessible. Credit and debit cards offer instant transactions, though they may come with higher fees. Bank transfers are typically cheaper, but take longer to process. Digital wallets like PayPal or Google Pay provide convenience for some platforms. Peer-to-peer platforms connect buyers directly with sellers, offering flexibility in payment options and often competitive rates. Several platforms dominate the fiat on-ramp space. Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are centralized exchanges that offer comprehensive services, including trading and storage. These platforms are user-friendly and provide high liquidity. MoonPay and Transak operate as payment gateways, integrating with wallets and decentralized applications to facilitate purchases. Each platform has its own fee structure, supported countries, and available cryptocurrencies, so it's worth exploring your options. The typical purchase process involves 4 main steps. First, you create an account on your chosen platform and complete Know Your Customer or KYC verification. This usually requires submitting identification documents to comply with regulations. Second, you link your preferred payment method, whether it's a card or bank account. Third, you select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and specify the amount. Finally, you confirm the transaction, and the cryptocurrency is transferred to your wallet. The entire process can take minutes to a few days, depending on the payment method and verification requirements. When choosing a fiat on-ramp, several factors deserve attention. Fees vary significantly between platforms and payment methods, ranging from 1 to 5% or more. Transaction speed matters if you need immediate access to your crypto, with cards being fastest and bank transfers slowest. Security is paramount, so always use reputable platforms with strong track records and proper licensing. Finally, consider availability, as not all platforms operate in every country, and payment options may be limited based on your location. Follow these best practices to ensure a safe experience. Always verify the platform's legitimacy by checking reviews, licensing, and regulatory compliance before creating an account. Compare fees across multiple platforms to find the best rates for your needs. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts to add an extra layer of security against unauthorized access. Start with small amounts when using a new platform to test the process and ensure everything works smoothly before committing larger sums. By following these guidelines, you can navigate fiat on-ramps confidently and securely enter the cryptocurrency ecosystem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.